This is Miffy, the cutest little cartoon bunny. If, like me, you've fallen in love with this adorable character, so much so that you want to create a tiny version for yourself, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you all of the cutest, completely free Miffy-inspired crochet patterns. While I show you all of the patterns that I found, I'm going to be working on my very own Miffy, so make sure that you stay until the very end to see how it turns out. I'm going to be splitting up all of the different patterns into categories, and first up is amigurumi. We're starting with the pattern that I'm following in this video. The designer is 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲, and as you can see, there are lots of different options for accessories. Next is this adorable chunky Miffy, which is so tiny and cute, and it's by 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲. This one is quite similar, but it's no so. I love these three small Miffys and they are so cute in different colours. This pattern is by Sarah Y. I think the button is so unique and a very cute touch. We have another one with a little cute red shirt. This strawberry Miffy is one of the cutest patterns in this whole video. I do realise I'm calling a lot of these patterns very cute, but just look at them. This pattern is by 𝘀𝘂𝗿𝗄 Crochet, and I love the tiny side bag. Our next one is by Avocado Handmade. If you made two with different colour bows, you could keep one for yourself and gift the other to someone else, which is a really sweet present. This next one has some tiny accessories, and it's by ETM Studio. These next ones also have cute accessories. The first is a little bonnet, and the second is a stripy scarf. We have three different chunky Miffy patterns, and then two very tiny ones. These are just Miffy's head, and you could very easily turn them into keychains. Our next Miffy has a very sweet orange dress and a cute carrot bag. And we have another very pretty outfit. This one is actually quite big, so don't let that thumbnail deceive you. This pattern is by 𝘃𝗁𝗲 Crochet, and it's a very pretty princess Miffy. I love how creative people get with the different outfits. And this one has very cute blue dungarees. We have a milkshake Miffy, which is by Beanie Binker, and is just as cute as it sounds. Next we have a couple of festive Miffys. The first is Halloween themed with a pumpkin, and the second is an adorable wintry snowman. For our final pattern in the amigurumi category, we have a purple Miffy, and you can find this on Ravelry. For our next category, we have accessories and decorations. There are so many cute and creative patterns in this section, which I think you're going to love. First, we have a Miffy trinket dish, which is a pattern that I created. I'm really proud of how it turned out. I think it's very cute and I use it every day to hold my jewellery. You can find the tutorial on my channel. Next, we have a couple of different coasters. These are separate patterns and I really like how they're two different shapes. Just imagine visiting someone and they pull out Miffy coasters. How cute! This jewellery holder is by Crochet Treasure. It's adorable, convenient, and looks easy to make. We have a Miffy glasses holder, which you could also use to hold other things, but I love how it looks like Miffy is wearing the glasses. I'm in love with this tissue box. I think this category is my favourite in general because I want to make every single pattern and just have a Miffy everything house. This mini Miffy chair is by amigurumi on Instagram. And this Miffy hanging garland is by Pure Stitches. It would make a really great decoration. Next we have this chunky Miffy pillow, which looks so cozy, and is another pattern by 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲. This granny square bag is so adorable. I love bag patterns and this one is so creative. We have 4 different keychain patterns. They're all quite different to each other and any one of them would make a great addition to your bag or keys. These 2 bag charms are very similar to the keychains, but they are bigger to fit your bag. Now we have a few different pouch patterns. The first is this cute drawstring bag, which is made using granny squares. This mini pouch is by Sarah on YouTube. You can use it as a keychain to attach to your bag, and as you can see, they used it to store their headphones, which is a great idea. Next we have this super cute Miffy pouch, which you could use to store your crochet hooks. This Sunny Angel Miffy pouch is the last pouch on the list, so if you're a Sunny Angels fan, then this is the perfect pattern for you. There's a couple of patterns that would be great gifts for babies. The first is this colourful Miffy Lovely, and the second is this adorable rattle. We have a cute Miffy 𝘃𝗂𝗿𝗲, and then the final pattern for this category is a crochet Miffy hat, which is such a cool idea, and you can make it in any colour you want. Now we have a very small category for knit patterns, so if you're a knitting designer, then this is your sign to make some more. This first pattern is by 𝘃𝗶𝗱𝗲, which is so cute, and I honestly think it's just a perfect version of Miffy. The little dress and the balloon are just amazing. Next we have another plushie, this time in a blue dress, and it's by Susan Chang. Our last knitting pattern is this Miffy children's sweater, and just imagine how cute this would be as a gift. For our last category, we have tapestries, and in this section we're going to be going through all of the different grids that I found, which can all be made in either crochet or knitting. To make a tapestry is super easy. All you need to do is one stitch for every pixel in the grid. There are so many different Miffy charts, and obviously I cannot fit all of them into this video, so I picked around 25 of the best ones I could find. Just like all of the patterns in this video, you can find the link to the charts in the description, but if you can't find the perfect one for you, then you can easily just make your own grid. Miffy is quite a simple character in terms of the design and shape, so hopefully it shouldn't be too tricky to create your own grid, even if you don't have much experience doing it before. This is how the body of my Miffy turned out, and after recording this video I added the ears and embroidered the face. Then all I had to do was crochet her dungarees, and my Miffy is complete. I used a much smaller yarn weight, so I had to freehand a bit, but I really love the yellow and I think it turned out perfectly. Here's a cute reel I made with my Miffy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for more.
Miss, you forgot something.
Thank you. I really hope that you found this video helpful and that you're ready to go off and make your very own Miffy using one of these patterns. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for crochet inspiration and cute tutorials. Let me know in the comments which pattern was your favourite, and if there's another character you'd like to see me make a pattern video on, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.